Hello students! Biological control is a method of using beneficial organisms or their metabolites to control pests. Biological control is safe for humans, animals, and plants, does not pollute the environment, is not easily resistant to pests, has a wide range of natural enemies, and has a long-term suppressive effect. However, the effect is slow and the cost is high, and the requirements for artificial cultivation and use of technology are relatively strict. Biological control mainly includes the following aspects. 1. The use of natural enemy insects to eliminate pests. 2. The use of microorganisms and their metabolites to control pests. 3. The use of microorganisms and their metabolites to control diseases. 4. Other beneficial organisms to treat insects. 5. The use of insect hormones and sterility to control pests. 1. Using natural enemy insects to destroy pests. Insects that use pests as food are called natural enemy insects. The use of natural enemy insects to control pests is also called pest control. Natural enemy insects can be divided into two categories, predatory and parasitic. The main ways of using natural enemy insects to control pests are as follows. 1. Protecting and using local natural enemy insects by increasing the diversity of vegetation and surrounding habitats, or providing food, hosts, and nutrients for natural enemies. We can improve the resistance of natural enemy insect community diversity and compensatory capacity. 2. Artificial mass breeding and release of natural enemy insects. Artificial mass breeding of natural enemies and inoculated release into the field to promote the pest control role of existing natural enemies. 3. Introduce enemy insects from abroad. Natural enemy insects and beneficial organisms that are not available locally can be introduced from abroad or overseas to strengthen the control of local pests. 2. The use of microorganisms and their metabolites to control pests is also called treating insects with bacteria. Microorganisms that can cause insect diseases include fungi, bacteria, viruses, protozoa, nematodes, and other groups. Bacteria. At present, there are more than 90 kinds of known entomopathogenic bacteria, among which Bacillus thuringiensis Bt is more widely used, mainly used for control of cotton, vegetables, fruit trees, and other crops on a variety of lepidopteran pests. 2. Fungi. Insects killed by fungi account for about 60% of all pathogenic microbial mortality in nature. At present, the most widely used is white fungus, mainly used to control corn, borer, pine, caterpillar, soybean, heartworm, sweet potato, weevil, rice, leafhopper, rice, lice, etc. 3. Virus. There are more than 700 species of insects that can be infected by viruses and die. At present, the nucleopolyhedrosis virus is mainly used to control Lepidopterous pests, such as mulberry caterpillar and cotton bollworm. 4. Insecticides. Some actinomycetes can produce insecticidal active substances in the process of metabolism, called insecticides. The insecticides that have been commercialized in China include ivermectin, liuyangmycin. That's all for this lesson. Let's continue in the next lesson.